ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Nirmala and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, and Media for Community Foundation implemented by Nightingale's Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. So here I welcome Mr. B.V. Manjunath to present his karaoke, Am Loving Karaoke. So it's over to Sir. Let's listen to the music.
Hello listeners of Hiriyaravani. I am B.V. Manjunath, a retired executive engineer of Karnataka Power Corporation. I took voluntary retirement in the year 2005 during my last assignment in Raichur Thermal Power Station. After putting in 28 years of service in various hydel, thermal and renewable power projects, of which 6 years was in Chuka Hydel project in the neighboring country of Bhutan on deputation. After that, I was associated with a private wind power project for about 9 years and finally bid adieu to my professional service last year, for which the present pandemic condition was a telling reason. Now I am enjoying my retired life actively by being associated with Nightingale's Elders Enrichment Center and Basic Active Aging Group and the people who are coordinating the activities in there, that is Shaila, Swati, Haripriya, Chandana, Aarti, Swati Bandari and many more. They are all helping in ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ದಂಡಿಸೋಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ತಲೆ ಕೆರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಗ್ನಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್, from my very young age, I had a flair for music, but somehow I could not indulge in it for various reasons. Or should I be fair in saying improper management of time, because it is said if you have a burning desire, you will somehow make it possible. The bygones are bygones. No use scratching your head over the past. It is always better to look for positive side of every situation. Though the pandemic has been disastrous for everybody across the globe for the past 2 years, the positive side is you are confined to the four walls of your house and you never had such ample time at your disposal in your whole lifetime so far to pursue your interests, which you could not do earlier for various reasons. When I was young, one of my close friends who is no more used to call me Manju Mukesh because he felt my voice resembled that of Mukesh. I really don't know how much of it I can justify now. Anyway, as a sample dose, friends, I want to present to you a song sung by Mukesh in the 1962 film Sangeet Samrat Tansen, based on Rag Sohni. Lyricist Shailendra, music director S.N. Tripathi. I like raga-based old Hindi and Kannada songs which produce such wonderful melodies with minimum instruments, unlike the present time. So here is the song. Hope you will like it. चली हवा, झूमती चली हवा, याद आ गया कोई बुझती बुझती आग को, फिर जला गया कोई झूमती चली हवा। खो गई है मंजिलें, मिट गए हैं रास्ते, खो गई है मंजिलें, मिट गए हैं रास्ते, गर्दिशें ही गर्दिशें अब है मेरे वास्ते, अब है मेरे वास्ते, और ऐसे में मुझे फिर बुला गया कोई झूमती चली हवा। एक रूख सी बूटी मैं सिहर के रह गया, एक रूख सी बूटी मैं सिहर के रह गया, दिल को अपने ताम के आह भर के रह गया, आह भर के रह गया, चांदनी की ओट से मुस्कुरा गया कोई झूमती चली हवा। चुप है चांद चांदनी, चुप ये आसमान है, चुप है चांद चांदनी, चुप ये आसमान है, मीठी मीठी नींद में सो रहा जहान है, सो रहा जहान है, आज आधी रात को क्यों जगा गया कोई झूमती चली हवा, याद आ गया कोई बुझती बुझती आग को, फिर जला गया कोई झूमती चली हवा, याद आ गया कोई, याद आ गया कोई।
Thank you, sir, for your lovely voice. We enjoyed it. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the music. Thank you for sharing. We enjoyed the program. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too may enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.